Well, if you're watching this video right now, you're one of the very first Buy a Vet customers to see this beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible L79 with 51,000 miles. This is a beautiful 1967 Corvette. Red on the exterior, code correct black vinyl interior, and a white convertible top. Under the hood, you'll find a numbers matching 350 horsepower, 327 cubic inch L79 engine, and this car has a 4-speed manual transmission. You're going to look great driving this car, and you're going to have fun driving it as well. Now, the features include side exhaust, AM/FM cassette radio, soft gray tinted glass and windshield, and it's originally assembled on April 14th, 1967. It's fun to know that information about your car. This 1967 Corvette L79 Convertible is in good condition and features those side exhausts as well. And as we mentioned, the 4-speed manual transmission. What a fun car this is going to be. The odometer reads 51,179 miles, which are title documented as actual. The car's paint is in good condition. It has a great shine. A big block Stinger style hood is on this car with the 427 emblems that have been added. The convertible top is in very good condition, and all glass in this car shows a correct date code. Exterior door handles show a good to very good finish, and taillights are very good as well. Rally wheels and associated trim rings, center caps, are all very good condition. And the radial whitewall tires, well, they're brand new. Now, the interior of this 67 Corvette L79 Convertible shows good condition seats, center console, gauges, good carpet, and very good door panels. A vintage custom auto sound AM/FM cassette radio has been added along with a Hurst shifter. The numbers matching L79 engine in this car shows an original casting date of April 10th, 1967 and final assembly date on April 13th, 1967. Just fun to know those things about your car. Has a correct air cleaner, intake manifold, valve covers, ignition shielding, radiator hoses, alternator, and exhaust manifolds all in place. And the frame is solid and rust-free. Give us a call today here at buyavet.net. We have experienced sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button, and you'll be the first to see all of these beautiful classic Corvettes that come to our showroom floor. We hope to hear from you real soon. We're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We ship nationwide and worldwide all the time. We make buying online easy and something you can do with confidence. buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia.